Welcome to 629 Vista Drive, where beauty meets functionality. Step inside where an inviting entryway greets you, setting the tone for the rest of this stunning home. In the foyer, discover the convenience of a well-placed laundry room tucked in between the two levels, designed to make your daily routines effortless. Head down to the basement, where you'll find impressive 9-foot ceilings and rough-in plumbing, offering endless possibilities for customization. While upstairs, the living room steals the show with its dramatic vaulted ceiling, creating a spacious and open area for any guests you may have over. Enter the master bedroom, complete with a separate bathroom and a spacious walk-in closet, perfect for organizing your wardrobe. The second bedroom provides a cozy and welcoming space for guests, kids, or other family members. The upstairs bathroom offers comfort and luxury. The heart of the home is the kitchen, featuring high-end cabinets built by our very own Heartstone Cabinets, and a large pantry giving you plenty of counter space for any festivities or busy days. And to keep everything spotless, a vacuum system has been roughed in, making cleaning a breeze so you can keep your home feeling like home. 629 Vista Drive has it all for you and your family. Call Amaron Homes and come see it today.